Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Hometown Coffee and Juice app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Hometown Coffee and Juice is a cafe app designed for customers who love fresh coffee, juices, and wholesome food options. The app allows users to browse the full menu, place orders ahead, and pick up their favorites without waiting in line. It also features a built-in reward system, where users can earn points for every purchase and redeem them for discounts or free items. Available on both iOS and Android, it offers a smooth and convenient ordering experience. The app's main feature is mobile ordering and rewards tracking. Users can customize their coffee or juice, save favorite orders, and pay directly through the app. It also provides location-based cafe information and seasonal menu updates, making it easy to discover new offerings. If you found this video helpful so far, drop a like. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many users appreciate its easy interface, quick order processing, and reliable pickup system. The loyalty rewards and ability to save previous orders make repeat visits smoother and more rewarding. However, there are a few drawbacks. Some users report occasional login glitches or app freezes during peak hours. Others mention that location tracking for nearby cafes can sometimes be inaccurate. Additionally, payment methods are limited in certain regions. In summary, the Hometown Coffee and Juice app may be worth using if you frequently visit their cafes and want a faster, more rewarding ordering experience. However, if you prefer traditional counter orders or aren't near one of their locations, it might not add much value. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.